This video covers adding agenda templates in CiviLink Documents for your organization. Prior to creating a template, you should have entered the team, letterhead, and agenda sections that will be associated with this template. Agenda sections can be added during this process, but it is preferable to create them in advance. If you have not done this, go back and complete those steps before proceeding. To add agenda templates, you must have edit or admin rights for the team you are working on. If you are the user that subscribed to CiviLink Documents, you will have that level of authority. The active role drop-down box in the upper right of the screen should say Edit or Admin. If it does not, check the active team drop-down list at the top of the screen to make sure you have selected a team where you have Edit or Admin authority. If you still do not have Edit or Admin authority, contact the person that subscribed and ask them to make the changes or update your authority to Edit or Admin in the team membership role. Agenda templates pull together the letterhead and agenda sections into a template for the meeting agenda. You select a letterhead, the agenda sections, and the order of those sections for the template. You can have multiple templates for a team since there will be different types of meetings that a team holds. For example, a team could have regular meetings, work sessions, or executive meetings to name a few. You may also have special types of meetings that have a different format, like reorganization meetings at the beginning of a term. Let's review adding agenda templates for your teams. On the left side navigation bar, you will see a group called Settings. If the arrow next to Settings is pointing down, click on it and you will see the menu expand to show org settings, letterheads, agenda sections, and agenda templates. Click on the Agenda Templates option and the organization's agenda template screen will appear in the main window. Agenda templates are segregated by teams. To see or edit agenda templates for a team, you must select that team from Active Team drop-down box at the top right of the screen. If you have full organization selected for the active team, you will be able to see all of the agenda templates, but you will not be able to add new ones until you have selected a specific team. If you have more than one page of templates, use the Previous and Next buttons, or the Show Rows drop-down at the bottom of the screen to display more. You can sort or filter the rows based on a column using the up-down arrows icon or the funnel icon in the column header. You can clear a sort or filter by selecting the icon again and clicking on the Clear option. You can use the Columns button to select or deselect which columns are displayed and save a layout or recall a previously saved layout. To create a new agenda template, click on the Create New Agenda Template button on the top left side of screen. This will open the Agenda Template Info and Arrangement screen. The fields with the asterisk are required. The template title is the name you will see when you select the template to be used in creating an agenda. This name does not display on the meeting agenda. Since the templates are segregated by team, there is no need to include the team name in the template name. For example, you could name a template Regular Meeting instead of Commissioner's Regular Meeting. Enter the template title. The letterhead drop-down list is where you select the letterhead that is appropriate for this team and meeting type. The letterhead must have been previously defined for it to be selected here. The group drop-down list lets you select the team that this template is for. This should agree with the team listed in the Active Team drop-down at the top right of the screen. You can click on the Preview button if you would like to see what the template would look like as you make these selections. This helps you to make sure the output will be as expected, so you can make changes at this point if needed. If you are not sure where some of the features come from, there is an explanation of this in the overview tutorial video. Next, you select the agenda sections that you want to include for this type of meeting. The available sections are listed at the bottom of the screen. To add a section, click on the Add to the right of the section you want. As you click the Add button, the section will be moved to the middle portion of the screen. You do not need to select the sections in order as you can move these sections around using the up and down arrows or dragging the section with the 6-dot icon. If you select an incorrect section, you can delete it by clicking on the Remove button. If a section that you want is not listed, you can create one by clicking on the Create Agenda Section button. That takes you through the same screens you saw when creating sections. There is a separate tutorial video for creating agenda sections. When you have completed entering the information, click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you back to the template screen with the new template listed. If you want to view, edit, or remove an agenda template, click on the ellipses to the right of the line with the agenda template's name. This will open the Actions menu. Select View to preview the template. Select Edit to make changes to the template. Select Archive, and you will be asked to confirm that you want to remove the agenda template. Click on Confirm to remove the agenda template. You can repeat the process of adding agenda templates for as many teams and meeting types as you have. That completes the video for adding agenda templates in CiviLink Documents. If you still have questions, please contact us through the help function.